All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about, well, time management as a technician. Gotta talk about distractions. That would be distractions from your significant other calling you, texting you, going on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, when you should be working. Some shops have a no cell phone policy unless you're test driving. Some shops don't, but you really need to limit things like that. When you're at work, you're here to work. You're here to fix cars. I've seen technicians waste way more time looking at a YouTube video on how to do a repair. It's simply explained in service information. And I get that reading comprehension versus seeing it done are very different. And sometimes, yeah, you definitely need visual aids on how to do it. Perfect example is using this tool, Thomas EXO VCDS. I watched that video about 600 times trying to use this tool because there's definitely a trick to it.